Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and welcome back to my Lock Sport update. This is a really fun video series that I run every single Saturday, and it serves as a really great place for me to update the community on anything that I've been working on. And it also serves as a great place for the community to update everyone on what they have been working on. This video might be coming out a little bit late because it's now Sunday, but I really enjoy trying to get them out and sharing all of these great updates and just seeing what everyone has been up to. So I'm going to start off this week's Lock Sport update by going over a few channels. The first one is a channel that was shared in the comment section last week, and it's going to be Northwegian Lockpicker. He shared that he is motivated to start his own channel. Since then, he has made several videos, and what I'm going to do is roll one for you right now.
Alright, welcome back everybody. This is the Northwegian Lockpicker. So this is part 2 of my video that I just did. I just repinned this lock with all standard pins and put the original core back into it and picked it through and wrote down the binding order. Okay, thank you all for watching. Stay legal, and don't forget, if you don't respect the keyway, you shouldn't put your pick in it. Thanks guys.
Thank you so much for checking out Northwegian Lockpicker. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to see more content by him, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. The next channel is going to be GKeyman56. This is a smaller channel as well. He doesn't really speak in the videos, but what we're going to do is just check out a quick clip of one of the videos from the channel. Thank you so much for checking out GKeyman56. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to show some support, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check them out and consider subscribing. Every subscription makes a big difference, and thank you to everyone that checks out all of these great channels. The last channel I'm going to leave with you this week is going to be Drew Farmer. Drew Farmer is another smaller channel, and what I'm going to do is roll a quick clip of it for you right now.
What's up guys? Drew back here again. So this is going to be my second attempt now at this lock. It's a 6-pin core. That there's the bitting. Click on one. Good, click on two. I think I'm feeling some counter rotation. Yep, counter rotation on one. And we got it. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Later.
Thank you so much for checking out Drew Farmer. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to see more content by them, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check them out and consider subscribing. I just want to say thank you again to everyone that shares every week. I really enjoy trying to share everyone's updates, and if you have any updates that you would like to see shared, as always, just please drop them in the comment section below, and I'd really love to try to share them with everyone. But either way guys, this is all that I have for you this week. It's been a really quick Lock Sport update, and I'm really excited to continue making them every single week. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.